There was a time when PC gaming was the great equalizer. It didn't matter if you were a student with $100 in your pocket or a professional with 1,000. You could build a machine that opened doors to infinite worlds. You were part of a community that valued performance over profit. But look around you today. Look at the prices. Look at the hardware. The door is closing. PC gaming is no longer a hobby. It has officially become a luxury. If you feel like you're being left behind, it's because you are, and it's not your fault. It's a calculated corporate strategy. Let's go back just a few years. Remember the Budget King builds? You could get a solid quad-core CPU and a mid-range GPU for a price that made sense. Building a PC was a rite of passage. It was about smart choices and finding value. Today, that value has been systematically erased. The entry-level price has shifted from $500 to nearly $1,000. And what do you get for that money? You get the leftovers. NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel are no longer competing for your loyalty. They are competing for your net worth. They have looked at the market and decided that the average gamer is no longer their target audience. They want the enthusiasts. They want the people who don't look at the price tag. And for everyone else, there are fake frames and upscaling tech to hide the fact that the hardware in your budget is barely an improvement over what we had 5 years ago. Look at the data. The gap between the 60 class and the 80 class cards has never been wider. In the past, a mid-range card gave you 80% of the flagship's power for 40% of the price. Now, you're lucky if you get 40% of the power for 50% of the price. They are intentionally neutering the lower tiers to make the expensive cards look like the only real option. It's a hostage situation. And it's not just the GPUs. Look at the motherboards. Look at the power supplies. Everything has been rebranded as Pro or Elite to justify a price hike that doesn't match the actual innovation. We are being charged luxury prices for standard components. They took our hobby and turned it into a status symbol. In poor countries, or for students, or for families, this is a tragedy. PC building used to be the way to get more for your money. Now, for many, it's a way to get less than a console for twice the price. Why spend $1,000 on a PC that struggles with VRAM when a PlayStation or Xbox just works? The manufacturers are literally driving their own customers away. They are killing the very ecosystem that made them giants. The comments on my last videos have been a wake-up call. I see people talking about how they are holding on to their RTX 3080s or even 1080 Ti's. Because everything new feels like a scam. I see people doing deep research just to find a used card that won't fail in a year. You guys are the true enthusiasts, not the people who buy a 4000 series card on day one, but the people who fight to keep this hobby alive despite the greed. We are at a crossroads. If we keep accepting these prices, if we keep buying 8GB e-waste in 2026, the luxury shift will be permanent. They will keep raising the floor until the budget gamer is a myth, a ghost of the past. But there is a resistance. The used market is booming. Alternative platforms are rising. And voices like yours in the comments are starting to be heard. We are reminding the industry that we aren't just units sold. We are the community that built this industry. And we won't be priced out without a fight. I've seen some of you say my videos should have 50,000 views. Honestly, I don't care about the numbers as much as I care about the message. If I can help one person avoid a bad luxury trap or help one gamer find a used legend that actually works, then this channel is a success. Your support, your comments, and your data are what drive this. The death of PC gaming has been predicted many times, but this time, the threat isn't mobile games or consoles. It's the companies themselves. They are starving their own roots. But as long as we stay smart, as long as we refuse to be tricked by marketing buzzwords, PC gaming will survive. It might look different. It might be built on old legends and used parts. It will be ours. Stop looking at the shiny new releases as the standard. The standard is what you can afford and what you can build with your own hands. Don't let them tell you that you aren't a real gamer because you don't have the latest AI-powered hardware. Real gaming is about the experience, not the price tag. I'm going to keep digging. I'm going to keep exposing the scams and finding the gems because I believe in this hobby and I believe in this community. Thank you for the incredible support on the last few videos. We are growing fast, and it's all thanks to you. If you are tired of being treated like a luxury customer instead of a gamer, then stay tuned. We are just getting started. Leave a comment. Tell me your story. When did you feel like PC gaming started becoming too expensive for you? Was it the 20 series? The 40 series? Let's get the conversation moving. Let's show them we are still here. Don't buy the hype. Buy the value. Build for yourself. And I will see you in the next one.